Woo! All right, guys. So we are in our language arts enrichment class. So you want to make sure if you are viewing this video that you are in the polka dot class. Otherwise, you will get confused because it will be language arts. So language A enrichment. I wanted to show you our new buttons. We are going to have both Zoom links up for you. I will be teaching both classes in both Zoom times. If that goes poorly this week, we'll change it after Thanksgiving. But at least for this week, both classes and both Zoom times, no stress whatsoever. That means that if you want to get all the information and then do your work, 9:45 is your time. If you were busy in the morning and you need to come at 1:30, I've still got you for both classes. Or if you want to set up your day to where you listen to the first half of the Zoom class at starting at 9:45, do your language arts work, and then come for the second half of the Zoom class, like at 1:45, you can totally come in at that time and do language arts enrichment and then do that work. It is all about how you want to set up your day. I'm happy to help. I will be around all day, every day during normal school hours to answer emails or Schoology messages, whatever you need. And then let's look at Monday and Tuesday's work. So they're the same because I don't know why Schoology and ClassLink decided to not let you in today. I've got no answers. So let's look. We are going to do a 6-word memoir. So the first thing we want to do for our lesson is give you a quick reminder that you need to be reading that choice novel. It's due on Thursday. We have a project due Thursday over it. And then no amount of love I have for you. You can just be number one student and I cannot fix or save your grade if you're not reading. Okay? You need to have 15 minutes where you read today. This assignment will take you no time at all. I did that on purpose. Okay? You have a very quick assignment so that you can take time to read your book. So minimum 15 minutes. I would say, especially since this is counting as 2 days work, 15 minutes a day. If today is Tuesday and it's your first day to log in and you're like, oh my goodness, I did not read yesterday, set a timer for half an hour, right? Or set a timer for 15 minutes, take a 10-minute break, set a timer for another 15 minutes. You guys know I love a good brain break. We play Agario, we play Slitherio in class. Do that for yourself. Give yourself time to chill out, but have an alarm set so you know whenever it's time to get back to work. I need you to be reading. If 15 to 30 minutes on Monday or Tuesday is not helping you, you need to be reading on the evenings. You need to be reading on the weekends. We have talked about this for the past couple weeks, so I need you to take responsibility and get to reading that book. As far as 6-word memoirs are concerned, what is a memoir? A memoir is a personal story about a significant moment in the author's life. So it's not a biography because it's not talking about your whole life. It's talking about a specific thing that happened, right? And I feel like we are just in a very specific time right now. Like we just had to go back to online learning. That didn't go so well the first time, so we made some adjustments, right? We have live classes for you now. We have more videos for you now. We've all learned as teachers how to be better online teachers for you. You have learned how to be better online students. We've got a lot going on in the world. Like if we were to just take a pause and snapshot of this moment, there's so much going on and you get to be a part of it. So memoirs are true, okay? We don't have unicorns crashing down in a meteor in memoirs. They're true. They're written in the first person, and you know from my class at first person, if you put out that number 1, first person uses I. They are a reflection of the author's point of view. So you get to use your own voice. You're not just factually speaking per se. You get to give your own opinion in your memoir. And they are a description of one important moment, event, lesson, or belief. So just snapshot of something pretty deep. Obviously, the world has changed a lot in the past few years, but these are some that I was able to find from other classes in the past years. So they have a photo. They have 6 words. You get to choose your font. You'll notice that some of these fonts are a little outdated. That's because they're outdated in general. That's okay. So this one says, sticks and stones hurt real bad. This one says, girl loved boy, boy never knew. Lost in thought, be back later. And on the pursuit of happiness. still. So your 6-word memoir has to be 6 words, not 5, not 7. Do not combine 3 words into 1 word. That's not a thing. As always in my class, your 6-word memoir can be from your point of view, right? You don't have to love school or online school in order to make an A. You don't have to be a cheerleader for language arts class in order to make an A. That's not how it works. You need to choose your own image, font, and 6 words. Once again, only 6. And the same rules always apply. Don't hurt the school or anyone in the school. That's not a thing. If someone's hurting you, I always have to tell. That's my job. And don't make it awkward. Like, it should be an appropriate 6 words. You are completely capable of being appropriate in my class and on this assignment. As always, please do your own work. Do not copy paste from the internet. You're better than that, and you're smarter than that, and you have things to say on the time right now. And then this is a slide where you will type here. So you can delete the words that say this is your slide for your assignment. You can put in your own photo, your own text, and then you will submit. So it is a very, very quick assignment so that you have an assignment and time to read. I need you to read so that you can do your final project. We will go over your final project on Wednesday. It will be due Thursday. It should not take you too much time, but it will matter. So I want to make sure that you are getting your time in, your reading in. I need you to not just read the first 20 pages. You should be towards the end. And if we need to take extra time at night to read, that's what we need to do. Email me if you have any questions. Email me if you're struggling with your 6 words or what your topic is. As always, I will get back to you within school hours. If you email me at 10 p.m., I'm probably asleep, but I will get back to you first thing the next morning.